In Sioux City, Nebraska, and we're looking on the Iowa side. That's a Hilton Garden Inn. That's towards Hamilton Boulevard there on the left. And there's Bev's. That's looking at Prospect Hill over there. The marina. About it. Yeah, we're in Sioux City and on our bikes, and you've got to take a look at this LiteForm wall they built as a dike. Very long, very extensive, right on top of the highway. Break. Goes on for quite a while and stops. Look at this business. Now stand, we're about a half mile away from the river right now. You're going to have to eke us out if you want your highway back. It's all cement. There you have it. Yeah, we're looking at the bluffs over the Missouri River, and this is this LiteForm wall that they built to protect the city of Sioux. Quite extensive. Just kind of a close-up of this LiteForm wall. You can see it's all poured concrete. A little bit of rebar in here.
Businesses done well.
I think they've done very well. Yeah, we're in Sioux City. Here's a LiteForm wall. It's covering that street. And there's the bridge looking south downriver. See the Missouri River there. Stuff moving down there pretty fast. There's a view of Prospect Hill, Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center. There's that gazebo that you see. Wow. The marina.
Get a greater appreciation here for the rapidity flow.
Yeah, that river's really moving. Form wall covered with plastic, and we got sand in here instead of cement. That makes more sense.